Lights, camera, action!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, you're about to hear. Hey, you wrote it. You tell them, Krusty.
Right, Big C. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, the Pizza Time Theater proudly presents Chuck E. Cheese's theme song. There are many places where you can grab a bite, sandwiched beside the road with the traffic lights. But in this world that's growing the samer every day, isn't it quite nice to know that there's another way? It's called the Pizza Time Theater. It's Chuck E. Cheese's place, somewhere where you can go to escape the human rat race. The human rat race. Get it?
Turn off that dog. Turn off that kid dog.
Chuck E. Cheese's corporate food and games go. Just step on over. Come through these hospitable doors. When you get a real good time.
Saying, when you come in here, you're in here for a real good time.
You tell him, Big C.
Keep quiet, cat. Maybe I could.
Sorry.
Anyway, folks, this is me saying around here we don't have to stop when we bring on the food. Unless, of course, the man upstairs turns off the light.